Welcome to the Ruffled Daisy. Today I'm going to show you how to make some adorable peppermint candies. These I can picture in so many fun colors. I can't wait to see how you guys create these yourself. Maybe use some green and do some spearmint candies. Do some that are black and white. That would be absolutely stunning. Just think outside the box as you are creating these. You can tell here that I am doing 2 full coats of red on each one, and then we're going to go back in and fill in the white. Here is where you see me using a smaller paintbrush, and I'm going back in and detailing some of these smaller areas with our white swirly that goes on our peppermints. Do this to all of them, and you can also tell that on the small one I did the little edges white, and on the large one I kept the edges red. These peppermint candies would be completely fine right here if you are not a glitter girl, but you all know I love the glitter. So at first I was just doing the white, and then I pulled out the red and thought, you know what, we're gonna add the red to everything because it is absolutely stunning. Watch how it comes all together. Now we're going to dress these up with just a simple bow. You could definitely put these in some cellophane wrap to where it looked like they were wrapped candies. Whatever works for you, but I thought these bows were just the perfect simple touch that it needed. What do you think? I cannot wait to put these out every single year. I think these are one of my all-time favorites. If you loved this DIY and like all things home creative, make sure you're following me on all the social media channels.